I have two new books. I forgot to mention in my last video. I have Fallen by Lauren Kate series. I like it so far. It's good. I heard some good reviews about this, so I said try it. But I really like Cannot Find Torment. I'm so mad. I tried looking at Walmart, but yeah. I like this. It's good so far. It's nice. Passion. Hardcover. Plus it's $2. So to get this because Fallen's already good, so Passion's gonna be good. I have to read this still. Yeah, it's so yeah, forgot to mention those last book review, last book collection, so yeah. This is only my two newest books in my collection, and I don't think I had Shelter Mouse, so yeah, that's about it. So yeah, that's about it.